Okay, and then we run the tests. So I had been laid off at Qualcomm, and Vinny came and said, why don't you come work for the Alliance? You can keep doing the same stuff, except for us. I am Marshall Clow, and I was the first staff engineer hired by C++ Alliance.
He said, come and I'll tell you what is good.
Greatest common measure the last 2,500 years. This was a presentation that changed my career completely. Led to working on Boost and working on libc++ and joining the standards committee and becoming LWG chair, which led to working for the C++ Alliance. This changed the last 20 years of my career. Vinny wanted to support the C++ ecosystem. Some of the ways that he had identified were Boost and LOVM and the standards committee. And I was involved in all three of them. The Alliance allowed me to finish out my 5-year term as LWG chair. Library working group, while giving me a lot of freedom to continue working on libc++ and to a lesser extent on Boost. And then this would be the code here. What I'm proudest about for the end of my term at the Alliance was that we completed and shipped C++20. It was a huge accomplishment. There was a lot of things that went into C++20, and we worked very hard and very frantically for the last year to get that all done. And at the very end of it, I announced that I was stepping down as LWG chair, and everybody in the room, like 140 people, stood up and gave me a standing ovation. That was quite gratifying. Getting a standing ovation from the members of the committee made me feel like, hey, yeah, yes, I guess I do belong here. Maintaining a few Boost libraries, lead engineer on libc++, acting as the LWG chair. I don't think I would have found anything that would let me do all three if I had not gone to work for the C++ Alliance.